Toddler Learning Time TV.
A for apple, shiny and red. B for ball, bounce it ahead. C for car, fast on the track. D for dog with a wagging back. E for elephant, strong and tall. F for fish, swimming small. G for giraffe, reaching high. H for house with a roof and sky. I for ice cream, cold and sweet. J for jump up on your feet. K for kite, flying free. L for lion, roaring with glee. N for moon, glowing at night. N for nest, tucked in tight. O for orange, round and bright. P for piano, playing just right. Q for queen, wearing her crown. R for robot, spinning around. S for sun, shining so high. T for train, rolling by. U for umbrella, and raindrops fall. V for violin, playing for all. W for whale, swimming so deep. It's the xylophone, a tune so sweet. Y for yacht, sailing fast. Z for zebra, stripes to last. A to Z, we stack them tall. Now we know them one and all. Sing it loud, sing it proud. A, B, sing it now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.